Hey guys, it's John here, and it is the last week of August when I'm filming this, and we're going to be starting all of our cool season flowers very soon, and one of my favorite cool season flowers are the Snapdragons. There's so many beautiful kinds of Snapdragons, but I think we're going to start the Madame Snapdragons today. Those are the double Snapdragons. They almost look like stock, but they're so pretty, especially the cherry, the bronze cherry, and then the bronze with white. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and grab our supplies and get ready to start some seeds. This is the tray we're going to use today. It is from Greenhouse Megastore. I'm going to link it below, but it's a really good tray that we use for all of our inserts. This is our plug insert. It's a 128 insert. I will leave the description of this again below, but there's 128 cells in each one. So we're actually going to cut the sides here. This is the only way I can find that it sits flat in the tray. So we're going to cut these edges off really quick so that it sits flat in here. So now we have our tray that is all trimmed up around the sides, and it's going to fit inside of here beautifully, nice and flat. And we want to make sure they're flat just so that when we do put water in here, it's going to uptake the entire tray evenly, and you're not going to get any dry spots in the corners. And this is the seed mix we're using. It's a black gold seed mix. We buy the big bag just because we use it all, but they do come in smaller bags. I don't have a preference on seed starting mix. Just anything that doesn't have a lot of chunks in it is a good seed starting mix. And we're doing this on the lawn just so we don't get soil on the concrete, but we're just going to evenly spread it. There are some chunks in here, but I will just take them out. Not a huge deal. You can screen it too if you have a screen, but we ain't got time for that today. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this up and I'll tell you guys what we're doing after that. These are the 3 trays that we're starting today. We're gonna give it a good soak. The bag that we've had is from the spring, so the soil is pretty dry. So we're gonna let it soak here for a little bit, and then we're gonna plant the seeds once this soil is saturated with water. These are the Snapdragons we're planting today. It is a Madame Bronze Cherry. So it is the double Snapdragon that is a cherry bronze. It's so pretty. I will put a picture on the screen here of what it looks like. But these are from Geo Seeds. It's a really good seed company. If you ever order from them on their website, there's absolutely no pictures of anything. So you kind of have to know what you want, but you can always like get your phone out or another computer and kind of search everything that they have on there and all their colors. But they have a really great selection of flowers, and they're based out of South Carolina here. So these seeds were from last year, and they have a little envelope in here. Right here, there's a lot of seeds in here. So we're just gonna take out a little bit and put it in this tray so we can seed them from here. And Rose wants to say hi. Hi, Rosie. Yeah. So we're just gonna put some in here, on the corner. There's a lot of seeds in here. I think this was like a 10,000 seed packet. Hi, this is our other puppy, Rhaenyra. Hi, Rhaenyra. Yeah, you're being a good girl. You're being a very good girl. Now that the tray is nice and hydrated, it looks really good and it's ready to go to be planted. We just drained out any extra water that was in the bottom, just so we wouldn't have a ton of moisture in here. But really, these seeds are so small, you guys. See how tiny these Snapdragon seeds are? They're like little specks of dirt. So what we're gonna do is usually I shake it out like this. So it looks like that. And then I just take my finger and then I grab one seedling and sprinkle it on top of the soil. They like to be surface sown. So we'll do this on every cell. I know it's kind of a pain to do it this way, but you could put 2 in here or even 3 and then thin them out later. That's also a really great option to do as well. So we're gonna finish this up, and then we are going to show you guys what to do after that. And sometimes I just sprinkle, like I'll sprinkle 2 seeds on here. Sometimes that's easier. So after we sow all the seeds, we're gonna water them in very gently. We're gonna get our stream nice from our hose, like a nice shower, and then go very quickly over it. So we don't want to disrupt any of the seeds. Don't want to disrupt any of the seeds when we're watering them. So doing a quick shower helps them just get into place. You can also use a spray bottle as well. That will work perfect. And after we finish sowing and then watering them in, we are going to sprinkle a light layer of vermiculite. This is fine vermiculite, and this kind of helps keep down the potential algae growth from occurring. Just a light layer, no chunks. We brought all the trays up to the grow room and we placed them underneath the grow lights. We're gonna put some tags on them that say what they are, and then we're gonna put these humidity domes on top so that they stay nice and moist until they germinate. A little sneak peek of what else we have in here. These are some coleus babies that we'll have out in the garden this fall. This variety is called Redhead. Look how pretty these are gonna be. And this one is called Dipped in Wine. Really pretty, like Bordeaux red color. Perfect for fall. Thanks for watching, guys. That wraps up the planting of our Snapdragons. I'm so excited to plant them this fall. They're going to be so pretty this spring. So have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.